PopBlends, automatic conceptual blend suggestions using GPT for divergent and convergent thinking. Pop culture is an important aspect of communication. Social media posts often contain pop culture blends, images that tie a product to a domain of popular culture. For example, on Star Wars Day, May the 4th, companies post images of someone using the Force to extract a French fry from a frozen treat, Han and Chewbacca getting into their car, and light and dark cookies having a lightsaber battle. Each use memorable images from pop culture and replace something with images related to the product. Creating pop culture blends are difficult because they require finding a connection between two very different things. For example, Star Wars is not obviously related to shampoo. The challenge is finding associations for both domains that can connect them. We present PopBlends, a system that uses NLP techniques to automatically perform divergent and convergent processes to find a connection and present blend suggestions. The first step is that users input a pop culture domain like Star Wars and a product or service such as shampoo. Next, the system gets associations with Star Wars and shampoo. For products like shampoo, there are databases for associations like ConceptNet and Small World of Words. For pop culture domains like Star Wars, we have to generate the associations. PopBlends uses two types of NLP to do this. First, it parses and uses coreference to extract key scenes from Wikipedia plot summaries. Second, it uses GPT, a large generative language model, to collect a knowledge base of associations of the main entities in the movie. For example, Chewbacca is a notable character from Star Wars, and GPT associated Chewbacca with being hairy and loyal. Mos Eisley is a notable location from Star Wars. GTP associated it with being dirty and sandy. The system then uses semantic similarity to identify words that could connect the inputs. For example, hairy from Chewbacca is connected with hair of shampoo, and dirty from Mos Eisley is connected to cleaning from shampoo. For every connection, like dirty and cleaning, the system needs to find images that could be combined that connect each input. Next, the system finds plot scenes related to Mos Eisley and dirty, as well as to shampoo and dirty. The system finds multiple images related to those sentences, and the user can select two that inspire a blend idea. From there, the user can Photoshop the images together to produce their blend. This blend shows Luke shampooing R2-D2 because a clean droid is a happy droid. Happy Star Wars Day from your shampoo. In PopBlends, there are three kinds of automated matching: plot sentence matching, GPT Attribute Matching, and GPT Solution. Plot sentence matching finds connections using traditional NLP. The system searches over all plot summary sentences to find ones that have the highest semantic similarity to the product word. Here, a Star Wars sentence that matches shampoo to something about Luke cleaning R2-D2. Then, within the plot summary sentence, it finds which individual word has the highest semantic similarity to the product word. Here, that's cleaning. GPT Attribute Matching uses a combination of traditional NLP and GPT. The system uses named entity recognition to find all the important entities in the plot summaries. Then it uses GPT to expand each entity into its attributes. For example, Mos Eisley is associated with the activity of buying and selling illegal goods, with the adjectives of seedy and dirty, and with the phrase, "You will never find a more wretched hive of scum and villainy." To find matches, the system searches over all attributes to find the ones that have the highest semantic similarity to the product word. Here, Mos Eisley has the attribute dirty, which matches with shampoo. GPT Solution Matching uses GPT alone to find matches. First, the system prompts GPT for characters, objects, locations, organizations, and actions that it can connect to shampoo. For example, GPT said that Princess Leia was associated with shampoo because her hair is perfectly coiffed and styled. All three of our methods produced reliable connections. 40 to 75% of the matches were accurately connected to the product word and to the pop culture domain. Our user studies showed that people found twice as many blend suggestions as they did without the system and with half the mental demand. Here are three examples of pop culture blends from the study. Harry Potter fighting the curse of plague to advertise toothbrushes, beer as a prize for winning a Quidditch match to advertise beer, and Chandler and Joey sitting in comfortable seats to advertise an airline. Overall, PopBlends shows that generative language models can be structured to divergent and convergent processes to automatically suggest pop culture blends.